today I'm going to be cooking up for KANKAN, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So these are the pictures right here that I'm going to be working with. I don't have a set idea. I'm not even going to go off any inspirations or anything. We're just going to go straight in raw. And I'm actually going to set up a timer for 15 minutes because usually it takes me like half an hour to, design something, but I want to kind of challenge myself here. First thing we'll do is just grab a gradient map, of course, no overlay, do a little color gradient on that. The colors are really washed out in this. I think I'm gonna have like some sort of red sky up here. Got like perspective it like so, just so it like looks like it belongs. You know, you don't really want it to be like static, like straight down. You want to make it kind of like it's going inwards. Yeah, you feel me? Create that kind of depth. I'm actually gonna rotate the car a bit. I think that'll give it like a crazy angle. That grab blur gallery tilt shift maybe. Let's see, right, like that. Keep this, blur this. Okay. This look nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some color kind of highlights onto them. I'm gonna be a little bit precise with this. I don't want it to be too messy. Just make a little brush like this. Blend that bitch in. Linear dodge add. We're gonna go ahead and do some more highlights. This time I'm gonna bring down the flow and the opacity. Just tap around on these like highlight areas. We'll do some purple highlights too, fuck it. Bring everything back up. Boom. Okay. Now I actually have to get rid of this part here. We're running out of time quickly though. So lasso tool is probably like the easiest way, the fastest way to cut shit out. If you rush it though, it's not gonna be the cleanest, but fuck it. You can just right click, feather, go to like 10 or some shit like that, and then just add backspace. We're gonna add more of these glows behind them, just red glows and shit. Bring this up. I'm gonna merge all this shit together. We're gonna vertical, and basically what I'm doing here is going for basically a textured kind of look, lighter color. Flip this 90 degrees, go like this, some shit like that. We're gonna blur this too. Gaussian blur, bring this up. Just keep doing this shit, just create some random ass looks here. Got 5 motherfucking minutes. We're gonna grab a red. We're just gonna do this like glow here. We're gonna grab a purple too. Do another glow, like just little highlights in it, like that. Just have that kind of look here. Boom. Merge all that together. We're gonna do a blur again. Boom. Put that to like lighter color. Oh shit, this looking hard. Do that. Add fuck was camera raw. We're gonna add a vignette right here. Bring this down like that. That should be tough. Yes sir. Now I'm gonna go into my ultimate adjustment pack, just see if there's any other looks I kind of fuck with, because I don't like to settle just for one look. I like to expand my options a little bit, but that shit is hard. I fuck with it. Go to KANKAN.com to get your packs, and this could be us. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go for this one. Okay, so I'm just adding some black and white spots here just to kind of balance it out a little bit. Okay, this shit tough. I fuck with this. This is tough. Keep merging it. We're gonna add radio blur, zoom, put that to like 50. Lighter color, layer mask. Just add or get rid of it right there. Duplicate this, the bottom layer, and then we're gonna go to Gaussian blur again. Blur just a little bit. We're gonna scale it out here like this, just so it looks a bit weird. Just create this kind of duplicate ghost effect, I guess. I don't know, I just came up with that name. I don't know what the fuck this is, but hell yeah. We're gonna grab our parental advisory. Yes, sir. Put that right there. Put that to screen. Bring it up above all the adjustments. And we're gonna add a texture. This is a pretty decent texture, not gonna lie. Put that to like linear dodge right there. Bring the opacity down. And boom. Alright, there we go. I put it down. Alright, but that is, you know, the little 15-minute challenge right there. I think this shit came out clean though. It's like some really ethereal shit, you know. But yeah, if you guys do want to go ahead and cop the adjustment pack, I have all of these adjustments, literally like the one right here. Make sure you guys go down below, check it out. I'll leave a link down below. And yeah.